welcome to Magic Feather Production. Do you not have enough money to go to your favorite store? Spirit Halloween. Well, you're in luck. You don't have to go to the Halloween store. You can go to the hardware store and get stuff for cheap. I got me here a handy dandy, my size painter's suit. I think you know where we're going with this. So this was all like $7, $6.99 plus tax. You do the math. You're also gonna need some paint. I got this Rust-Oleum for like $4 plus tax, so $5, whatever, I don't know. I got me some red acrylic for the splatter effect. You can also get red paint like that for cheap over at the hardware store too. I just happen to have this because that's what's always in my shop, paint. Oh yeah, that was good. I feel like Jack the Dripper right now. So, the reason why I put that right there, we're gonna make a big hole. We're gonna get my toy gun and shoot a hole in there. There's the hole, right there. I'm gonna paint maybe some, I don't know, some black. I had to put some blood where the hole is to make it look like the bullet went through. Okay, I did a little more. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to dry and then paint the radiation symbol on where the painter's logo is. But Sky, if you're a zombie in a hazmat suit, don't you need to look like a zombie? Yes. What you don't need is a zombie mask. There's plenty of methods you can find. In fact, there's a really easy one. All you need, tissue, glue, and some paint. That's it. Put it on your face and it looks like flesh is coming off. However, I'm not going to do that because my face is going to be in this Israeli 1980s civilian gas mask. What we can do is get some paint and put this whole glove on, bend over, and just dip this whole glove in red paint and right on the suit. End results. I just spray painted this bad boy and just went. Now for this. Okay, I painted the sigil. Gonna put another coat on there and then I'll put the rest of the symbol on there. Now while I was digging through some stuff for props, I found my voice distorter. Would have used this on my sister. Alright, I did a nice crappy job on the radiation emblem. Only one thing to do is dry it and try it. You don't need this mask. I just got lucky and got it for free. So, like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. And remember, if they can't find you hot, they can find you handy.